Hello Chartereds, we had finished a chapter called Not-for-Profit Organization or Final Accounts for Non-Profit Organization. In that I wanted to do one homework question, that is homework question number 3. So it's a request to everybody, please take out homework question number 3. Correct? You're supposed to prepare, yeah. The following is the receipts and payment account of a Lion Club for the year ended 31st of March 2016. Opening balance, cash, bank, subscription, entrance donation, entrance interest received, sale of assets, that is selling price, miscellaneous income. Then there is garden upkeep, 8,000 garden upkeep. Then receipts at is 4 items, coffee room, soft drink, swimming pool, tennis court. Garden upkeep is an expense. Receipts at coffee room, soft drinks, swimming pool and tennis courts. Since it's a club, they sell food stuff over there from where they earn. Receipts at. Salaries, creditors, printing and stationery, postage, telephone and telex, repairs and maintenance, glass and table linen, that should be generally treated as an asset. Crockery and cutlery, asset, it should be treated as. Membership fee, club is a member of cooperative society, so club has to pay membership fees. Okay, this is not that members are paying club, this is club is paying to the cooperative society. Insurance, electricity and closing balances. Assets and liabilities on 1/4/2015, this is opening. Fixed assets, no problem. Stock, that means chartered, we are supposed to prepare trading account because there is receipts. Okay, and there is creditors payment, so we are supposed to prepare payment account also. Stock, investment in 12% government securities, 5 lakh. That means 12% interest on 5 lakhs, that is 60,000 interest we were supposed to receive. But chartered, we have received interest only of 58,000. So please, beside interest received, give 1 dot. Beside interest received, give 1 dot. Thereafter, prepaid outstanding subscription. So beside subscription, give 1 dot. Prepaid insurance. So search insurance, you will get after membership fees, put a dot over there also. Sundry creditors, so we are supposed to prepare creditors account. Subscription received in advance, 1 more dot. Entrance donation received pending membership, put a dot near entrance donation. Gratuity fund will go in liability chartered. So you have put 2 dots near subscription received, then entrance donation you have put 1 dot, interest received you have put 1 dot, sale of assets will be subtracted from fixed assets, then salaries you have put 1, no, insurance you have put 1 dot, correct? Yes sir. Subscription you have put 2 dot. Subscription received in advance, this is 3rd dot. Subscription pre-received, this is 4th dot. Outstanding expenses are salaries 8,000, so beside salary 1 dot. Beside electricity outstanding is 15,000, so beside electricity 1 dot. Salary dot, electricity dot. 50% of the entrance donation was to be capitalized. So beside entrance donation put another dot, so 2 dots you have. Cost of assets sold, so put a dot near fixed assets. Put 2 dots, one is for sale of asset, one is for loss on sale, because cost of asset sold is 10,000. You sold it for how much? 8,000 as per receipts and payment. You have received 8,000. Therefore, there is a loss of 2,000. So, beside fixed asset, put 3 dots. One is for loss, one is for sale, other is for depreciation. A sum of rupees 20,000 received in October 2015 as entrance donation from an applicant was to be refunded as he has not fulfilled the requisite membership qualification. The refund was made next year. Acha, circle adjustment 4 and circle adjustment 6 Circle adjustment 4 and circle adjustment 6. Join them. You have circled 4, you have circled 6. You have circled 4, you have circled 6. Join them, chartered. Then, purchases made during the year. So, that will go in creditors, value of closing stock, that will go in trading. The club, as a matter of policy, charges off to income and expenditure account all purchases on account of crockery, cutlery, glass and linen. Otherwise, started these benefits are for more than 1 year, so it should be treated as an asset. But club has a policy of charging this as an expenditure. You are required to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Correct? So, apart from income and expenditure and balance sheet, I have prepared opening balance sheet, I have prepared trading account and creditors account. Income expenditure will be all for almost 20 lines, balance sheet of almost 12-13 lines, this is of around 7-8 lines, 20, 12, 13, 7, 8, correct. Trading again 7, 8, creditors 3 lines, trading 7, 8, creditors 3. Shall we start? See how I go about. First is what? Cash, opening balance sheet. How much? 10,000. Thereafter, bank. How much? 3850. Thereafter, subscription. How many dots are there? 4. Subscription received. How much? 202,750. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines I have left. Thereafter, entrance donation. ED, entrance donation. ED stands for entrance donation. How much? 1 lakh. How many dots? 3, 1, 4 lines. Correct? Yes. Thereafter, interest received. Interest 58, 1 dot. So, inner column. Thereafter, miscellaneous income. Income, how much? 9,000. Garden upkeep should be after crockery and cutlery. It's by mistake it has come on the receipt side. It should be on the payment side. Garden upkeep 8,000 should be on the payment side. So, expense, garden upkeep. Then receipt set, that is sales, trading account. Coffee room, 1070. Soft drink, 510. Swimming pool, 80. Tennis court, 102. Correct? Yes. So, entire receipt side is over. Payment side. Salaries. Done? Yeah. Salaries will come on debit side. Inner column. Then creditors, that is payment to creditors. So in creditors account, go and write creditors to RNP. You are making payment to creditors, so creditors to cash. Creditors made to cash bank or to RNP, 15 lakh 20. Creditors to cash bank. Printing and stationery, that is an expense. Printing and stationery, how much? 70. Postage, 40. Telephone, 52. Repairs, 48. Glass, 12. All expenses. Crockery, 14. Membership fees, 4. These are expenses without any adjustments. Insurance, 5,000, inner column, 1 dot. Electricity, 28, 1 dot. Closing cash will come in closing balance sheet. $8,000. Thereafter, closing bank, 224,600. Correct. So we are done. Thereafter, so we are done with entire payment side also. Then adjustment 1, fixed assets, net 5 lakhs. That will come in the inner column. Opening balance sheet, it will come in the outer column, 5 lakhs. And in balance sheet, 5 lakhs. Closing balance sheet, 5 lakhs will come in inner column. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. 3, 4 dots. Then opening stock. So opening balance sheet, stock, 3,80,000, and in trading account, $380,000. So why did you prepare trading account? Because there is opening stock, closing stock of an item along with receipts is given. That means chartered is supposed to prepare trading account. If opening and closing stock of any item is given along with its sales. So these are sales only. So stock we have done 12% investments. %12 investment in opening balance sheet, 5 lakhs. 12% investment in closing balance sheet, 5 lakhs. Correct? Now, so 12% of 5 lakhs is the total interest which I should get. That is 60,000. But I have received only how much? 58. Therefore, outstanding interest, 2,000 balancing figure. This outstanding interest will come in balance sheet. Outstanding interest 2000. Is that correct? Yes, sir. Now, outstanding subscription, that is last year's subscription received in current year, remove. Opening outstanding, how much? 12,000. It will go in opening balance sheet. Outstanding subscription 12,000. You have removed it from income. Prepaid insurance, that is opening prepaid, that means started. Last year it was prepaid for current year. This is opening prepaid. Last year it was paid for current year. So, and this will come in opening balance sheet, opening prepaid insurance 1000. Opening prepaid insurance 1000. Last year it was paid for current year. Correct? Yes, sir. Then creditors. So, this is opening balance of creditors, how much? 1,12,000. Correct? Yes. And in creditors account I am writing, sir, will we be able to do this sum in examination? No. Until and unless you practice each question minimum 2 to 3 times, it is difficult to sort it out in examination. Each question, then you will get into the rhythm. First time you will falter so many times. Second time you do, you will be better. Third time you do, you will be in a grip. So you have to solve these questions minimum 2 to 3 times to get into the grip of NPO. Am I clear? Don't worry. Else when we meet after lockdown, we'll do it again in the class. Thereafter, charters we are done with. Opening prepaid insurance and creditor. Subscription received in advance. Last year we had received in for current year. So, opening pre-received, it is for current year how much? 15,000. Come in opening balance sheet. Correct? Thereafter, entrance donation received pending membership. Entrance donation received. So, it was received last year. 1 lakh. So, last year it was a liability. Last year received. Last year we received 1 lakh. This year we received 1 lakh. So, total we received how much? 2 lakh. Pending membership means we have taken the money, we have still not given them membership. We will go through their forms. We have taken the money from the members and the forms. We will go through the forms. If we feel as a club they have fulfilled all the qualification, then we will give them membership. If they have not fulfilled the qualification, we will refund them the money. Correct? So, still now we have received 2 lakh rupees. Is it our income? We don't know. Why? Because still we are supposed to check who has fulfilled the qualification, who has not fulfilled the qualification. Correct? Yes, sir. Thereafter. So, done. Gratuity fund. Opening balance sheet liability. 1,50,000. Closing balance sheet liability. 1,50,000. So, done with the gratuity fund. Correct, charted? Yes. Now, adjustment number 1. Subscription received in advance. Current year's pre-received. Closing pre-received how much? 18,000. Balance sheet liability. Pre-received subscription. 18,000. Correct? Yes, sir. Thereafter, outstanding subscription. How much? 7,000. Balance sheet asset. Current year's outstanding, therefore add. Therefore, subscription will become how much current year? 202 750 minus 12,000 plus 15,000 minus 18,000 plus 7,000, 194 750. Correct? Yes, sir. Thereafter, adjustment number 1, 2 done. 3 outstanding, salary 8. Add outstanding 8. So outer column 128. Balance sheet liability. Outstanding salary 8. Thereafter, outstanding electricity 15. Electricity had outstanding 15. Outer column 43. Closing balance sheet outstanding electricity 15. Done? Yes. Now adjustment number 4 and 5 is to be read in duality. 4 and 6, sorry. First we will receive a sum of rupees 20,000 received in October 2015, that is last year. A sum of 20,000 received last as interest donation from an applicant was to be refunded. Why? He has not fulfilled the requisite membership qualification and the refund was made in next year. Okay. So, refund. How much? 20,000. You understood? I had told you, no? Entrance donation, refund 20,000. Capital fund and remaining is how much now? 1,80,000. Out of that 180, 50% is capitalized. So, capitalized will go to balance sheet. Capitalized entrance donation will go to balance sheet. Revenue entrance donation will stay in income expenditure. Initially, we had written entrance fees, capitalized, balance sheet, revenue, income expenditure. If nothing is mentioned, we assume entire is capitalized. Correct? Yes, sir. So, adjustment number 1, 2, 3, 4. 20,000 was refundable. We are left with 180. Out of that 180, 50% is capitalized and 50% is here. So, out of 180, the capitalized part has gone here. The remaining part has stayed here. Correct? Yes, sir. Thereafter, adjustment number 1, 2, 3, 4. Cost of assets sold is 10,000. Now, sold how much? 8. Loss 2. That loss will be transferred to income expenditure. Loss on fixed asset. So, you're left with 490. Correct? Yes. 10,000 asset worth rupees 10,000 is sold for 8,000. From where did I get 8,000? It is given in receipt side check. Yeah, and 2,000 is loss. Correct? Yes, sir. That loss is transferred to P&L. That is income expenditure. Thereafter, I said depreciate 10%. That is 49. So, you are left with 4,41,000. Depreciation 10%, 49. I have transferred it to income expenditure. Correct? Yes, no. So, depreciation I have subtracted and transferred it to income expenditure. Thereafter, adjustment number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 purchases during the year. That will come in this journal entry for purchases. Purchases to creditors. Creditors may buy purchase. Purchase to creditors. Creditors may buy purchase. How much? 15 lakhs. And trading may 2 purchases. In trading, 2 purchases. Correct? In creditors, buy purchases. In trading, 2 purchases. We are done. Value of closing stock. So trading credit. How much? 210. Balance sheet में closing stock. Closing balance sheet 210. Correct? Yes. Trading will give you gross profit. 1070 plus 510 plus 80 plus 102 plus 210 minus 380 minus 15 lakhs. 92. This 92 will be transferred to income expenditure, credit side. 92 is transferred to income expenditure, credit side. Correct? Yes. Creditors will give you closing balance. 92. This 92 will be transferred to closing balance sheet. Creditors 92. Correct? Yes. We're done. Let's calculate the profit. 194,750 plus 90 plus 60 plus 9 plus 92 minus 8,000 minus 128 minus 70 minus 40 minus 52 48 12 14 4 6 43 2,000 49,000 30,250 loss. $30,250 deficit. Opening balance sheet capital fund 10,3850. 5 lakhs plus 3 lakh 80 plus 5 lakhs plus 12,000 plus 1,000 minus 1,12,000 minus 15,000 1 lakh 1 lakh plus 90,000 minus 30,250. 1089600. 1089600. Now plus 92,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 18 plus 8 plus 15 plus 20. 1392,600. 8,000 plus 224, 441, 5 lakhs, 2,000, 7,000 plus 1392,600. Correct? Yes? No? Yes, sir. So we are done with this question. Yeah, a little lengthy. Revise this question with peace along with the video if you want. Thank you so much. With that, we come to the end of a wonderful chapter called NPO. Thank you so much.